Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create an Angular project and then show you how to make a commit in GitHub to save your changes and collaborate with other developers. So, if you're ready, let's get started. The first step is to log into your GitHub account. Then, click on Repository and select New on the Setup page. Give your repository a unique and descriptive name. You can also add an optional description to explain your project. Choose whether you want the repository to be public or private, depending on your needs. Before creating the repository, you can initialize it with a readme file and select a license if desired. Once everything is set, click Create Repository. After the repository is created, we can proceed to create an Angular project. The first step is to install Angular if you haven't already. You'll need to have Node.js and npm installed. To install the Angular CLI, open your terminal and type npm install-g at Angular CLI. If you want to know the version of npm, write npm-v, and it's the same thing for Node. Write Node-v. Now, we can create a new Angular project. Go to C, and open a new folder. Then, type cmd in the address bar, and the terminal will open. Next, write new project name, replacing project name with the name you want to give your project. The Angular CLI will ask you a few questions to set up your project, like choosing your CSS stylesheet format. After a few minutes, when the installation is finished, type cd project name. Then, type code. To open Visual Studio Code. And to check that everything is working correctly, you can start the project with ang serve --open. This command will automatically open your browser. Now that our project is ready, let's see how to add it to a GitHub. We go back to Visual Studio Code, open the terminal, and select Git bash. Then, go back to this page, copy all those lines, and paste them into the terminal. Then, you should install Gitlins to facilitate your commits on GitHub. Next, to make a commit, click on this icon and write a new commit message. And that's it. You've successfully created a new project on GitHub. From here, you can continue to develop your project, make more commits, and even collaborate with others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on coding and development. See you in the next video.